Nid y Seintiau yw'r unig glwb sy'n chwarae ar y cae yma, ond mae yna dîm lleol arall, St Martin, sy'n chwarae i gemau cartre yma. Ac am ei bod nhw'n chwarae o dan y chweched haen ym Mhyrymid Pêl-droed Lloegr, mae canran o'i cefnogwyr yn cael dod yma i wylio gemau. What is it like to have fans here in the current climate?
It's great that we've got fans. There was a lot of conversation between the clubs and the North West Counties League and the English Football League, and there was an agreement made really that football at this level couldn't really exist without there being supporters in the ground, because without their contribution through the gate and buying drinks and whatever, the club can't afford to pay for the referees. I mean, our team isn't paid, so the guys play for the love of the game, but we still pick up fines, we still have to pay fees to be within the league, we still pay entry fees for cups and insurance. So without the crowds coming in, we just wouldn't exist really.
What measures are in place to ensure that fans can come here safely?
The same rules that happen in the streets of England happen here. That we should be not in bigger groups than 6. We need to keep our distance. It needs to be 2 metres or 1 metre plus if we're wearing face coverings. We've got a little one-way system. As people enter the stadium, they need to follow the NHS track and trace. One little advantage, we have had slightly bigger crowds where people haven't been able to come and watch the Welsh football or come to watch the English professional game.
They've been brilliant here, even to don't lean on the railings and signing in, and I think it's been brilliant. Everybody sat separately, so you couldn't be any safer. Better here than inside somewhere.
Well, you can't beat coming to a game anyway. Meeting people, proper fans, having a pint and enjoying it, the real football.
Yeah, it's massive. Like getting outside, like outdoors. Just being able to come down here and just watch like your local team. It's have a big impact on your mental side as well. So yeah, it's good to be here.
I think it's just the atmosphere. It's so much better than watching at home.
I'm a healthcare professional myself and realise that by the potential of interaction increases the risk. But there are other risks that we have to manage, and mental health is definitely one. Our young lads who live and die for football. We've got an ageing community of supporters as well who have followed us for what feels like hundreds of years, but again it gives them the opportunity to get out, and whilst we maintain social distancing and good hand hygiene, they still get to see their friends. From a mental health point of view, that is outstanding. It's exactly what I feel we all need.